In this quick video, we'll show you how you can allow other people to share your posts on their Instagram story in the newest Instagram update. So Instagram has relocated some of the options for post sharing and other things. So let's see how we can allow others to share our posts. This is a great way if you want your content to be seen by a wider audience, and when people reshare your content, you will get more views, visibility, and potentially new followers on your Instagram profile. So there are a couple of things that we need to do. Firstly, you want to open your Instagram app and then go over to your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you get here, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines which are at the top right corner of the screen. We then want to open this account privacy option. The key here is that if you have a private Instagram account, then you have to turn this switch off or make your account public again. People won't be able to reshare your posts on their Instagram story if you have a private Instagram account. This limits the number of people that can see your Instagram posts to only your followers, and other people that want to reshare your posts maybe have different followers on their profile, and those followers won't be able to see your posts if your account is set to private. So, you will have to make your Instagram account public if you want this to work. When you do this step, you want to go back and then find an option that's called Sharing and Remixes, which should be right under the Comments button. When you click on that button and open this page, we will have a couple of settings for sharing posts, reels, notes, and all that other stuff. If you want to allow other people to share your post to their stories, then you have to enable this Allow Post and Reel Sharing to Stories. It says that when this is on, other people will be able to share your Instagram posts and reels to their story, and your username will always appear. So from now on, when this option is enabled, other people can reshare your posts, as well as reels, to their Instagram story, and you will have more visibility and views on the content which you create. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.